Hi, it's Mark here at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. 215-236-8500. Here we have a factory surplus remanufactured model D2300 Hercules. It's a complete long block. It's got the intake, the exhaust manifolds, timing cover, the pulleys. It's got a fuel pump on it. We'll include a water pump with it. It's got the design that has the 2 injector bolt holes in the cylinder head. It's completely remanufactured, ready to go. Just put your accessories on. Give us a call, 215-236-8500, or visit our website at jobbersinc, it's jobbersinc.com. Thank you.